Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video from Life with Tiffy. Today guys, I'm coming to you with something that's different, nothing I've done before on my channel. I'm installing clip-ins. Guys, the hair struggle is real, and so I have been searching just for more innovative ways of styling my hair so I can look bomb and fly on the go. Now I'm using the big and beautiful hair clip-in. There are 9 pieces to the clip-in, and I'm also going to be showing you some of the products I use to get things coming together. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome and thank you for coming. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the finished look. So I showed you the Eco Styler gel I use, the conditioner that I use just to do that little pre-wash, the edge booster that I use, the mousse. I also have the curling custard. I have the detangling brush and another brush that I use, just a regular brush. I have a mesh wig cap, and I also have a brush for my edges because of course the edges got to be laid, so that's totally important, and some bobby pins, of course. Guys, this style really didn't take me much time after the prep was done, and so I really enjoyed putting this install in. Here I'm just showing you what the clips look like on the clip-on. It is pretty easy to install and very lightweight. It doesn't tug up my hair at all, which I love. Now, the color is actually a little bit mixed. I couldn't get the straight 1B. That was a little bit disappointing, but it still worked well. You're gonna get to see it at the end of the video. So here I'm just prepping the hair. And to be honest, let me give credit where credit is due. I did watch a video by Miss Naturally Mary here on YouTube. You can check her out. She has lovely videos, and I saw her do that with her clip-ins, and so I decided to do it, and I realized that it gives the hair a more natural, fuller look when it's washed. So I did enjoy that. What I'm gonna say about this hair though is that even though it says it's 100% human hair, that I did have some trouble when I washed it. It was tangling a lot. I was really trying to brush it, but then that wasn't working, so I had to go in and just use my fingers to detangle the hair. So I'm just gonna finish washing the hair, and then I'll be back with you. So once I was finished washing the hair, I got a towel and I just dried the excess water out of it. I'm just showing you what the hair looks like. No products have been added as yet. I'm gonna go in with my Aunt Jackie Curlala, add some of it to the hair for added moisture. I'm also going to be adding the mousse to it. All the products were listed at the beginning of the video, and I used my finger to detangle because the brush was just not doing it. It wasn't going through as smoothly as I wanted. So I am going to go again and buy me another set of clip-in and see if I get a better turnout. But this one did turn out good, I will say. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my hair. I didn't even come back on camera to show you because I realized I need to tie it immediately. Guys, now this clock is a little fast. Oh gosh, the time, but it's saying 4:57. It's actually 3:57 a.m. See the time. Saturday, July 1st. I am going to my bed now because what? Anyway, I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning guys. As I said in the previous clip, I did my prepping of my natural hair off camera because I really couldn't film it. It was just too much, and I had to do it in the mirror. Now talk to my nice. My hair is laid. Like bed was spread, proper spread. So I did do some cornrows in the back just to tuck that away, but I love how my hair is looking. I like the wavy look on the top. I do notice some white residue at the top, but that's nothing to worry about. If you guys do have that, you can just go ahead and use some water to wipe it out. I used the Eco Styler gel and the edge booster and the curling custard to get my hair all nice and sleek. So guys, what you see me doing now, I'm going to be adding the wig cap. So I had a regular wig cap that I put on first, and then the mesh wig cap. What you're gonna notice though is that halfway through the install, I'm gonna take everything off because it just was not holding. I think what happened is that I kinda left out too much at the front. I needed to come up some more with my cornrows, so the cap was not fitting my head properly and it was causing it to slide. Now I will say, when installing your clip-ins, how I saw Miss Naturally Mary did it was she did a U part first with it. Again, it's my first install, so I had to get some guidance from YouTube. And you want to just measure according to how wide you want your U part to be. So it's gonna take a few tries before you get the perfect weft length. And so what you're gonna see here is I'm gonna be going back and forth, just trying different lengths of weft until I found one that made the perfect U part according to how I wanted it to be. There it went. I took off the wig cap because it just was not working out for me. By the way, you'll notice that I am talking in the clips. Guys, I was recording and I don't know what happened with the sound. I was using my camcorder to record and the sound just didn't come up. I don't know what happened, which is why you're now hearing this beautiful voice on a voiceover. But girl, the voice nice either way. So I just had my first successful install and I'm excited. So guys, just go ahead and watch me put the others in. I will say though that when you're gonna be concealing your U part, you want to use the smaller weft. I believe it's called smaller weft, the one that has 2 clip on it to fill out your U part. And then closer to the back, you want to get around the perimeter of your head from ear to ear, and you will use the longer wefts to complete that section. Now that I'm finished with adding in my clip-ins or clip-ons, and I must say I didn't use all 9 pieces. I probably used 6 or 7 pieces to complete the half of my hair. Now when I was trying to lay my hair, I realized, like I said before, that I left out too much. So what I did was I separated it in 2 sections, and then I pull it to the back of my hair and I made a loose twist closer to the end of my hair. Now why I did that twist is because I wanted the end to be together so that it would be easier for me to tuck it away to the back of my head. Then of course the good old bobby pins, you'll use them to secure your hair in place, and you can also use it as extra security for your clip-in. So I did same to both sides, and I tucked the hair away, and then I left a little part to cover a little bit of my hair out, just to cover the weft that was exposed. But guys, honestly, I was surprised at how my hair turned out, honestly, because as I said, the color was a little bit brown, there's a little bit of brown in it, so I didn't expect it to really, blend so nicely, but it looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. And for my first install, girl, excited. Never mind the back, I'm gonna tweak it up and fix it, but I am excited, and as you can see, I'm feeling myself. So I'm going to proceed to show you how you can style your hair up a bit using headbands. I got these 2 headbands from the dollar store. One is very pink and playful and very summery, and then the other is just a plain cream one. Now, 2 reasons I'm putting the headbands on. One, just to give added style, and also because I wanted to ensure that I was fully concealing any weft that may have been exposed, and it helps as a disguise for your bobby pins if they're showing, because mine was showing, if I'm gonna be totally honest. Now I'm loving this pink one, but you guys can let me know in the comment section which headband was your favorite. I really like how it looked with it. It was very girly, and I am into those kind of things. So there I was just showing you how my hair is, and I'm gonna actually be brushing it in a little bit more. I don't think I came back to show you guys, but I did go and add some more Eco Styler and brushed it in. So now I'm wearing the cream headband. Guys, let me know. Look at me all made up because it's Canada Day, and so we went out. Guys, I chose to go with the pink one because I was wearing a full white dress, and so I just love it. I love it. I'm really loving this hair. Let me know, guys, in the comment section what you think. What do you think about me putting in my first clip-ins? Guys, I thank you very much for watching today's video, and I sure hope that you enjoyed it. If you do try putting in clip-ins in your natural hair, let me know and link the video so I can watch it too. Until next time, guys, bye. Remember, for tell a friend, for tell them friend to subscribe to Life with Tiffy.